at River's Edge Outdoors, and today I'm going to be showing you the Beaver camper. So right now I'm at the outdoor sink, and so this is the sink, and there's a cabinet up here for you to put all your lighters and stuff, and there is a refrigerator over here, and you can put like your waters and cokes and stuff in there. And now I'll be showing you the inside of the Beaver. So here is a closet for you to put all of your clothes and shoes in. And here's a bed right here. And
it's a bunk bed.
Yeah, it's a bunk bed. And
they're very spacious.
There is a bathroom right here with cabinets and a bathtub. And there is a couch right here. It turns into a bed. And there is a dining table. It turns into a bed also. And we have a refrigerator and freezer, a microwave, and a stove, and a faucet where you can just like unhook it and then you can spray anywhere. And we have cabinets for storage. And now I will show you the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom. We have 2 cabinets and a storage place up there and the bed and 2 windows. And
drawers, and there's
for dishes.
A lot of cabinets. There's lots of space in here.
And you can lower this table down and that will turn it into a bed. And there's a cabinet down here for you to put skillets and stuff like that. And storage over the couch for you to put sheets and pillows.
And there's a very big drawer right here, right underneath the couch.
And there's space right here. Somebody can just roll out a sleeping bag right under there, and then somebody can sleep right there. And I guess that is all of the Beaver camper. And we hope you liked the video. Make sure to give a thumbs up if you liked it. And we hope you will support the River's Edge Outdoors. And well, we'll see you later.